Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura 9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to reassemble the brew unit entirely. The whole thing completely apart. We had to deep clean every single little piece of it, make sure everything is very well secure and that it was not obstructing anything. We tested with a bunch of water as well. We run through a lot of water through the brew unit. We really tested that brew unit and made sure that thing was clean. After that, we also deep clean the spouts. We completely disassemble these and deep clean everything. We soak it in coffee cleaner as well as run a bunch of water through it to rinse it out very well. And yeah, that's all we did. So we've been testing this machine the entire day. We've been doing coffee, brewing on different settings, from the very coarse setting over here all the way to the finest setting of the machine. And we've been brewing like large of coffee pots on this machine, and it's just been doing great. It's just been working the way it's supposed to. And it has not done the issue where the water flow was barely coming out through the spouts. It has not repeated that again ever since that we removed that brew unit and deep cleaned it entirely. Like I said, we disassembled the entire thing and we deep clean everything on it. As you can see now, it's a very steady stream coming out of the machine. It's super fast. There's no any slowdown or anything like that. We already been doing quite a lot of coffee on this machine, and we've been testing this machine the entire day as well to make sure that it will not repeat that malfunction where the spouts will barely drip over here and nothing was coming out, and it will just tell you that to press this button to fill up the system. It has not done that, and we will already try it with different grind settings as well to make sure that it did not repeat it. And like I said, we definitely did a lot of coffee with this machine already. So we've been testing this machine out for the entire day and we have not seen a malfunction. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. That flow coming out of the machine was working great. Flow coming out from the water spout is great as well. It has not malfunctioned anymore. We already went through a lot of coffee with this one as well. Every single time that we've been brewing, it's been just a nice constant flow coming out through those spouts, and we have not seen any malfunction. So there you have it, Jura and I working once again and having a nice flow coming out through the spouts. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching. And as you can see, that water tank sensor is definitely working since we do not have water in the tank. Thanks for watching.